I am Mary Steinbach. I am the Executive Director of the Montrose Recreation District. We fundamentally improve lives of our community members in really fun, engaging ways. We are the premier Parks and Recreation service provider here in Western Colorado, serving a good portion of Montrose County. The Montrose Recreation District provides an abundance, thousands of recreation programs per year. We're already operating 2 specific facilities, the Community Recreation Center as well as the Fieldhouse. And now we're excited to embark on our 3rd facility, which is FlexRec at Colorado Outdoors. Some of the very different offerings that we're going to have at FlexRec are really going to be things that help you live your best outdoor lifestyle. We're going to provide functional, performance-based fitness training, individualized work, as well as group classes. We'll provide a gathering space for community members to increase their knowledge and education of the outdoors, and for folks of all ages to participate in outdoor recreation programming right on the river. What we envisioned as we move forward in this project was thinking about those people who will be residing at the Colorado Outdoors campus, working there. Wanted to provide them one additional unique space that they get to call their own. It's right in their backyard. We're excited to welcome you to your new facility provided by the Montrose Recreation District called FlexRec at Colorado Outdoors.